In this tutorial, we will walk you through a quick investigation process to show you how Octane can immediately help to both identify the root cause of an error and find the right person to contact about it. In this example, we will focus on test failures in our CI process. When analyzing your test failures, we suggest the following decision process. The first question you should ask yourself is, are there any test failures assigned to me? To answer this question, we added a shortcut that filters the tests that you're assigned to. Next, you might ask yourself, how do I receive assignments? There are two ways of receiving assignments, manually from other Octane users, or by an automatic process like an external resource or Octane's recommendation system, which we will talk about later. In case you're assigned to handle test failures, you should respond by choosing to decline or handle the test failures. You can also reassign to one of the other stakeholders of this test by using this button. Whether or not you've been assigned to handle a test, and especially if you have committed a change to the current pipeline run, Octane helps you to conduct further investigations to be certain that you did not break anything. This is accomplished first by using the Group By button and the Filter panel. We recommend to group by build and then cluster. Then you can filter the grid to see only failures or even new failures if you want. After configuring the grid, you can take a look at the Related Users panel. In the pipeline run context, when no test is clicked, you can view all of the current pipeline run commits. This smart panel adjusts itself in accordance with your investigation context. By choosing a test from the grid, you will see two new components, the Top User component and the Related Committers component. In the Top User component, you can see the top recommended user to contact regarding the test failure, given all the data that we have. There are many indications and reasons for deciding that a specific user is recommended. We encourage you to respond to our recommendations and assignments, since our algorithms use them to improve future suggestions. If you click on a test, you also have the test context in addition to the pipeline run context. In practice, clicking on a test will adapt the list so that both the pipeline run commits and the specific test relevant commits are visible. The list of commits will be sorted by relevance for the current test, and relevant files for each commit will be marked if they are suspected for the test failure. And if all this isn't enough, on the grid you can jump to the pipeline run where a test started to fail with one click. When you are done investigating, you can let everyone know easily by clicking Not Me or by taking responsibility for a specific test failure. Many more possibilities exist, but let's save this for the next video.